To get labels for your Amazon FBA inventory, follow these steps. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account with your credentials. Create a shipping plan. Navigate to Inventory and select Manage FBA Inventory. Choose the items you want to ship and click Send or Replenish Inventory. Prepare shipment. Enter the shipment details, including the quantity of each product. Choose the packaging type, individual products or case-packed products. Labeling preferences. On the Label Products page, you have the option to label the products yourself or have Amazon do it for a fee. If you choose to label the products yourself, select Print Labels for this page. Download and print labels. Amazon will generate a PDF file containing the FNSKU labels. Download the PDF file and print the labels using a standard printer or label printer. Attach labels to products. Ensure each product has the FNSKU label securely attached. The label must cover any existing barcodes and be easily scannable. Complete the shipping plan. Follow the remaining steps in the shipping plan to prepare your shipment, including packing and labeling the boxes. Print box labels. At the end of the shipping plan process, Amazon will also provide box labels that include the shipment ID and destination warehouse address. Print and attach these labels to your shipping boxes.